if the person have done their treatments and life is good. The following home care product, it's also one of the very, say, like a tricky things for people to identify and understand. So how they can select, especially for men, like women, they go, they search immediately. They
Yes.
understand, they do 1,000 questions, if not millions, before they proceed, which is very good thing. It's not a complaint. But for men, they just wanted to pick up anything and go with it. So what are the home care product people should use right after that?
Well, after facial, for the sensitive skin, they must have a cleanser with a fragrance-free and less alcohol at all. Also, they must have, the gel texture, not the
Yes.
foamy one, because most of the study, those foamy cleanser, it keeps or trigger the irritations.
All the time, yes,
Yes.
indeed.
And then afterwards, they have to put the moisturizer with the calming ingredients, like I said earlier, like with the aloe vera or chamomile. Those are great moisturizing, calming ingredients. The third one is the serums. Serums with the ingredients make their skin more stronger, or the skin barrier make it stronger, like ceramides or niacinamide. They work wonders. And lastly, they must apply some sun protection. As we know now, we're here at Dubai. We are facing now the hottest weather at the moment. So we must really put or apply some SPF.
Yeah. So after all this technology has evolved and we get to this stage, let's please try to understand that this technology was made to help us. Those studies that has been made is for us to get a much better on everything, and also for us to look after ourselves in very modern way. So the sun protector, which is the most neglected product, it's not made for female only. It's not made
Yes.
for the swimming pool that you sit there in.
Exactly.
So sun protector, most especially now with the environmental problem. So we need it much more than any other time it exists. So basically take care of that. That's one of, for me personally, that's one of the top on the line. Also for the foamy product, avoid it if you have the sensitive skin.